Hello, good morning, Nisha.
Good morning, sir.
Today I'm going to ask you some sentences in Nepali by using simple present, simple past, simple future, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous, and you have to translate them in English. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, first one. म अंग्रेजी पढ्छु.
I read. I learn English.
I learn English. म अंग्रेजी सिक्छु. तिमी खाना खान्छौ.
We eat rice.
You eat rice. हामी चिठी लेख्छौं.
We write a letter.
We write a letter. हामी पोखरा भ्रमण गर्छौं.
We visit Pokhara.
We visit पोखरा. तिनीहरू पार्टीमा रमाइलो गर्छन्.
They enjoy party.
They enjoy the party. म तरकारी खान्छु.
I eat vegetable.
I eat vegetables. तिनीहरू कार चलाउँछन्.
They drive a car.
They drive a car. ऊ खेल खेल्छ.
He play game.
He plays.
He plays game.
He plays a game. उनी खाना पकाउँछिन्.
She cooks food.
She cooks food. उसले मलाई मन पराउँछ.
She likes me.
He likes me.
He likes me.
He likes me. मैले अंग्रेजी सिकेँ.
I learned English.
तिनीहरू क्रिकेट खेले.
They play cricket.
They played खेले.
They
Pop
played
2.
cricket.
They played cricket. उनले कार चलाइन्.
She drive a car.
Pop 2 drove.
She
Drove a car. Now simple future. मैले अंग्रेजी सिक्ने छु.
I will learn English.
I will learn English. हामीले अंग्रेजी पढाउने छौं.
I will teach English.
We will teach English. हामी
We will teach English.
उनी नाच्ने छिन्.
She will dance.
She will dance. उनले मलाई प्रश्न सोध्ने छिन्.
She will ask me questions.
She will ask me a question. उसले पानी पिउने छ.
She drank a water.
उसले he
drank a water.
drunk हैन पिउने छ. He will drink water.
He will drink water.
म अंग्रेजी सिक्दै छु.
I will learn English.
सिक्दै छु.
I will.
सिक्दै छु. I'm learning English.
I'm learning English.
दै छु. हामी नाच्दै छौं.
We are dancing.
We are dancing. म चलचित्र हेर्दै छु.
We.
म
I.
हेर्दै छु. I'm watching a movie.
I'm watching a movie.
म अंग्रेजी सिक्दै थिएँ.
I.
म अंग्रेजी सिक्दै थिएँ. I was learning English.
I was learning English.
Okay. उनी खाना खाँदै थिइन्.
She. Will.
थिइन् गर्दै
She
थिइन्.
had.
She was eating food. म अंग्रेजी सिकेको सिकै हुनेछु.
I will have been learn English.
I will have been learning English. उसले चलचित्र हेर्दै हुनेछ. हेर्दै हुनेछ.
He had been.
हेर्दै हुनेछ. He will be watching a movie.
He will watch a movie.
मैले कविता लेखेको छु.
I read a poem.
I have written a poem. लेखेको छु. have plus verb 3. Okay, मैले अंग्रेजी सिकेको छु.
I was learning English.
एको छु. I have learned English. I have learned English. Okay. तिमीले खाना खाएको छौ. तिमीले खाना खाएको छौ.
We.
तिमीले.
They will.
तिमी you.
You will.
You have eaten food. तिमीले खाना खाएको छौ. You have eaten food. Not enough. I'll ask you more. All right. मैले अंग्रेजी सिकेको हुनेछु.
I will learn English.
एको I will have learned English.
I will have learned English.
तिनीहरूले भिडियो डिलिट गरेका हुनेछन्.
They.
गरेका हुनेछन्.
They have.
गरेका हुनेछन्. Will. They will have deleted a video. उनले खेल खेलेको खेलै छिन्.
She. Have.
She has.
She has. Play game.
She has been playing game. उनले खाना पकाएको पकाइ थिइन्.
She had cooked food.
She had been cooking food.
She had been cooking food.
हामीले साथीहरूलाई माया गरेका गरी हुनेछौँ
We
Mhm.
will have been
Mhm.
love.
We will have been loving friends. Thank you so much. Read well.